In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Mastercard gift card on Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to purchase anything available on Xbox or the Microsoft Store using your Mastercard gift card. This process can be done directly through the website, as I'm gonna be demonstrating here, when you register the gift card as a payment method, or you can also do it directly from your console. Of course, the process is going to be the same, so you just proceed to checkout or you attribute the gift card as a payment method on your account, but it is going to be visually different. Regardless of which option you select, just click the option to purchase any game, expansion, or whatever is available on the Microsoft or Xbox Store, and when you proceed to checkout, you will find the option to use the Mastercard gift card. Now, when it is time to pick the payment method, as you can see here, is when you will be able to input the details about the gift card. Now, I also need to make a very important disclaimer. While it is possible for you to use a Mastercard gift card to purchase games, expansions, and items directly from the Xbox or Microsoft Store, this is going to depend on which gift card you have. Most gift cards are going to be considered prepaid cards. Because of this, there is no guarantee that this works. I need to make this very important disclaimer. You should still go ahead and try to use the gift card. There is no secret to this. When you choose the option to add a credit or debit card, you can include the card number, cardholder's name, expiration date, and security code, and then when it comes to the address, just input your own address. As long as the card is eligible to be used for online purchases, this is going to go through without any issues. Now, if the specific Mastercard gift card that you have is not accepted, you are going to get an error message telling you that the payment method is not compatible, and in that case, unfortunately, there's nothing that you can do. But for most gift cards that can be used online, you just have to use them as a normal credit or debit card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Mastercard gift card on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.